Come on, take a break out of the ring. Hey, you guys want to go to the
Not until our shoes are really muddy.
They're going to get real heavy.
Oh my gosh.
Oh,
He almost went out.
yeah.
Pound boots. It's getting heavy, Mason.
Yeah, that's
The
your
boots.
son.
The boots get heavy.
Oh,
Walk through the
Shane.
mud, too? Walk through the mud, go for it.
Yeah, that's gonna be a.
You know, you can run and slide in it like the slip and slide.
Gosh, don't do that. Don't say that. There you go, we're going down
Go out and play football.
No,
Came up.
Whoa.
About went down that time. Go out there and take it out. Take it back.
My camera's not focusing right now. It's because all the rain.
Anyhow.
You want to use my paintball gun? Yeah.
Bobby.
We'll get you a piece of lumber or something.
Yeah, get a 2x4.
There we go.
It's already wet. Life's the only cut for it. There's mountains in there too. Okay. Is it a boy picking on his face? Like another girl? Who are you mad at?
Hey, mister.
Who are you mad at? A girl or boy? Another girl, I think. Is she older?
What?
A lot older?
They're playing football. Yeah, okay, she'll learn how to play. Don't worry. You're just too small.
So, Mason, what are you doing?
When you get a little bigger, you can play football.
You want to get the golf cart and run them over?
Mud boots? You want to take them off?
No, Bobby, you can show you how to start it. You can show you how to start this.